How to find empty servers in Roblox Steal A Brainrot. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find empty servers in Roblox for Steal A Brainrot. So if you want to play solo or avoid crowded games, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open up the Roblox website on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Steal A Brainrot under the Experiences section and open the game page. Next, tap on the Servers tab. Here, you'll see all the active servers for the game. Scroll down until you find the Other Servers section. To find empty servers, check the box that says Exclude Full Servers. Then, change the sorting option from descending to ascending. This will show you the servers with the fewest players, including ones with just a single person. Now click Join on a server that has only one player. Once that person leaves, congratulations. You'll have the server all to yourself. And that's it. This is the easiest way to enjoy Steal A Brainrot without anyone else in the server. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.